Back in April of 2020, I was demonstrating on my full-size cello The Legend of Zelda to a student, and I was really intensely performing it. And something happened to this hand. I heard a crack, snap, and a pop, and I seriously injured something. Well, I thought it would heal over time. I was laid to rest. I thought it was tendonitis. I thought it was carpal tunnel, but it turned out to be something very different. It turned out to be trigger finger, because a healthy hand does this. An unhealthy, injured hand does this. My finger's stuck. It's not moving. And now it moves. And the reason why it's not moving, I'll show you. It has to do with this. Now, if you look up there, that's the flat part of my bone. And as a musician, you may run into this problem if you play a lot, which I've been doing for over 30 years. This part right here, that little black part with those two little parts, that is a sort of swollen part of the tendon. That's not supposed to be there. Here's a close-up of it now this way. You see that black area right here? That black part? That's not supposed to be there. That's liquid. And that's stopping its movement of the finger. So when I compress, it stops. This prevents you from having greater fluid motion, but also simply it causes pain all the time. And I absolutely love playing the instrument now. I have no problem with my bones. That's my bone. It's great. That's my bone here. Great hands. Nothing broke. But the tendon, that is a problem. And as a musician, you may encounter one day this problem, this trigger finger. In French, it's doigt ressort. And so it is a common problem as you age and as you play intensely. You may have carpal tunnel, you may have tendonitis, or you may simply injure a tendon in your finger so much so that you develop a pocket in it like this right here. And that pocket then becomes something that prevents you from actually moving the finger. Pressure, I cannot do too much of, but most importantly in thumb position. It's acutely painful in thumb position. And so if you feel some sort of discomfort when you're playing cello, just remember, there are solutions. Sometimes you do need to have surgery, which I will be having. So I'm going to pack up my things, get out there, get my hand sliced open, and I'll update you shortly as to how everything goes. God, it sucks though, let me tell you. Hopefully this works. And I'll get back to uploading videos on the channel, and I'll get back to doing so much more teaching, but so much more videos. And that's what I'm just trying to tell you, is that teaching intensely, as I do, I don't still sit there and watch you play. I demonstrate with you, as you've seen in my videos, but also making the videos creates a tremendous amount of stress on the body. I not only learn the song, I play it thoroughly, I teach it thoroughly, and it takes hours to do this, to make you a proper and well rehearsed and well sounding video. So you can freely sit there and enjoy that. But it's a torture on the body. But it's a passion that I truly love doing. So yes, this is going to get fixed. I will be finally able to make a fist again, play in thumb position again. And I want to tell you one thing. When this is fixed, I have a bucket list of songs that's going to go up on my studio here. And I'm going to play them all. I'm going to learn them all. Because this is a Strong reminder to me, and it should be a strong reminder to you. You do not live forever. Your body will break down. So learn the music today that you always wanted to learn. Stop procrastinating. Stop putting it to aside. Because one day your body just may break. At least there's a solution for mine. So I'm going to go take care of that right now.